I finally cracked the successful trading method. I was studying over 100 plus YouTube channels to learn how to be successful in trading. Several of them told me that I needed to buy their courses to be successful in trading, but I'm not willing to pay them money. What if they are trying to scam me? I also discovered many fake gurus along the way, so I figured it out myself and I'm going to share it with you. So in this video, you'll learn how to trade completely from scratch. Let's dive in. At the end of this video, you will have a thorough guide to trading and free tools for successfully trading the market. Whether you are a newbie or an experienced trader, this will be your complete guide. It's not one of those where you can recover 50% of your trading losses in a single day or join my Telegram channel for free calls. I tried everything and believe me, they don't work at all. You will incur losses, and even if you gain some money, you will eventually lose it all. Trading involves more than just strategy, so don't anticipate a copy and paste tutorial here. You must work hard and develop your trading skills. Therefore, choosing the appropriate strategy is the first step towards becoming a successful trader. I conducted research and discovered how to develop a plan for free. Here is my new approach. Now let's get to work. If you don't have any money, the first thing you should do to learn how to trade is go to Varsity by Zeroda. The Zeroda team developed this website. Watch the introduction to the stock market first on the videos page, followed by the technical analysis video series. Watch the videos repeatedly until you understand the concept well. You need to have an in-depth understanding of the entry and exit requirements after watching the videos. Additionally, you must stick to a strategy for at least 21 deals. I borrowed this concept from the renowned Mark Douglas. You won't be investing your hard-earned money the next day after understanding all of this. Do you know what Abraham Lincoln said?
Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe.
So we will spend most of our beginning time to prepare ourselves. So once we have a strategy in place, we also need a paper trading account and appropriate charting website. We'll use TradingView for charting since it has all the tools you need for charting. Begin by focusing on the chart while using your techniques. Go to the charts and backtest it using the knowledge you have gained from Varsity. In order to determine the accuracy of your strategy, go to the historical data and test out your strategy. Following that, you can begin using paper money to trade on the real market. Essentially, paper trading is the act of trading the market with paper money. Create an account on Neotox and begin trading the market with paper money. To trade paper, you can use the Neota app on Android or the Front Page app on iPhone. Before investing your hard-earned money in the market, trade on paper for at least 3 to 6 months. Never concentrate on intraday trading for a minimum of a year. Put your attention toward long-term or swing trading. So we have learned to build a strategy. It is now necessary for us to develop a risk management strategy. All of them can be learned at Varsity, but allow me to provide you with some further details. If you do not have a suitable risk management plan in place to control your stop loss, no matter how good your strategy is, it will not last. The market cannot be traded without losses. So, how are you going to handle it? Let's imagine you want to trade the market with a capital of 1 lakh rupees. You will be putting up to 1 to 3% of your initial trade value at risk, which works out to 3,000 rupees for every lakh rupees. Hence, your risk per trade is 3,000. It's time to consider position sizing now that the risk per transaction has been determined. Position sizing is used to determine the quantity. As trading is a systematic process, we need to choose the quantity based on our risk management plan. Now, after identifying a trade based on your strategy, we must first establish 3 crucial elements: the entry, stop loss, and target. Allow me to illustrate position sizing with an example. Let's assume that our risk per trade is 3,000, and we discovered a trade with an entry of 369, stop loss of 349, and a target of 409. Therefore, we must apply the formula in order to determine the quantity of the position sizing. Amount is calculated by dividing risk per trade by entry minus stop loss. If we do the math, the result is 150. Thus, in accordance with our risk management strategy, that is the amount we are permitted to trade. If we trade in 150 quantities, we will only lose 3,000 on that one trade if we hit our stop loss, which in accordance with our capital and risk management plan. Therefore, we are going to provide you with a free Excel sheet to make things easier. You can download it by clicking the link below. Simply enter your values and the sheet will provide the maximum quantity that you are permitted to trade. Whenever a trade presents itself, you will open the Excel sheet and put in the values. Let's examine one more illustration. Suppose we have 2 lakh in capital and we are willing to take on a 1.5% risk per trade. Hence, risk per trade is 3,000. Let's imagine that we got a trade based on our strategy. Our target is 142, the entry is 121, and the stop loss is 113. Thus, 375 stocks are the maximum number of equities we are permitted to trade, according to our position sizing calculation. Therefore, we will only lose 3,000 rupees if we lose on this trade. Furthermore, the risk-reward is stronger if you observe the deal. The risk-reward ratio is a crucial factor in trading. Our win rate serves as the primary basis. We won't go into detail about it, and we'll talk about that in the upcoming videos. You can study it in depth in Varsity as well. Make sure you are using the right system when trading, so following the implementation of the strategy and risk management. Thus, it's time to concentrate on trading psychology, which is the most crucial factor. It's a broad subject, therefore I'll create lengthier video to help you understand it later. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. I will share 3 trading psychology tips with you in this video to help you learn more about the subject. The first piece of advice is to be disciplined in all areas of your life. Your trading will mirror your other areas of your life. It will also have an impact on your trade. You must follow your trading plan and not deviate from it if you have developed one. Stick to your trading entry, stop loss and target. And if your life is chaotic and lacks discipline, now is the time for you to work on it and improve it. Meditating is the second thing you should do to improve your trading psychology. Meditation has numerous advantages and greatly help us to become the greatest traders. Regular meditation practice will improve your ability to make well-informed trading decisions. It will support making wise trading decisions. You can begin using the Balance app to practice meditation. Begin your meditation with 3 minutes, then extend it. The third piece of crucial advice to help you become a better trader is to learn to be emotionally detached and be patient. Emotions like fear and greed might lead us to make impulse decisions when trading. Control your emotions and never exchange them. Additionally, resist the need to overtrade or pursue fast profits. I'll give you some brief advice. Concentrate on the quality of your trades rather than the quantity. The third piece of crucial advice to help you become a better trader is to learn to be emotionally impatient. Emotions like fear and greed might lead us to make snap decisions when trading. Control your emotions. Additionally, never overtrade or look for quick profits. I'll give you some brief advice. Concentrate on the quality of your trades rather than the quantity. We now have an effective trading recipe. Maintain your paper trading practice to improve your trading skills. Never forget that trading is a journey, not a destination. So, for those who are new to trading, here is a recipe for success.